Hello world, it's your boy Alan with the Web Penguin for all your design, development, and SEO needs. I just wanted to share a message today, and this message really is for anyone thinking about web development and coding, web design. Newbies, young, old, boy, girl, giraffe, chameleon, walking stick, and you've heard this message a million times before, but you can just go ahead and add me to the list. And that message is don't give up. You have to keep going. I have 3 jewels I want to drop today, and it's nice to hear from somebody who might look like you, somebody who's going through this and is brand new, somebody who's been through some ups and some downs. It's just nice to hear it from somebody who cares. And guess what? I care. Number 1, make sure to focus on what you know instead of what you don't know. You know the structure of an HTML page. Maybe you understand some JavaScript already. The list will always continue to grow. You have to make sure to focus on the little wins. You know, there might be days or weeks where you go without a big win. But let me tell you what I did today. I built a dynamic video gallery in Laravel that takes the embed code from YouTube or Vimeo or any of those programs and inserts it into a gallery. And I just used a simple CRUD method to do it. And it took me about 6 hours to figure it out the first time, because I was stubborn and I didn't want to do any plugins or anything like that. I wanted to figure out how to do that on my own. But the next time I built it, or that I redid it, because I did have to scratch it. Of course you have to scratch it to make sure that you're doing the right thing. Or you might have to tighten it up because it works well enough and you understand why it works. But I went back and I built it again in half that time. And I'm sure it'll just keep getting easier because I know what I'm looking for. And the whole time, the solution tool was right under my nose. So that whole first 6 hours, I probably spent 3 of it on something making it more difficult than it actually was. I was not thinking about what I already knew. I was thinking about what I should know already. Number 2, don't compare yourself to others. I have a hard time with that one. It's just, if you're competitive, it's a natural thing to compare yourself to what the next person is doing. I know it's hard not to compare yourself to somebody else. You say, well, if so-and-so can do that, I know I can do it. But you don't always know what their journey looked like. You don't know what they've been through already. For instance, when I did my coding boot camp, 9 days out of 10, I felt like I was just a little, like I shouldn't have been there. And the other people in my class, there were a few people who were coming from non-tech, but most of the people in my class had already, their jobs were just updating a set of knowledge, or they were, just brushing up on some skills or adding something new to the technology that they already use. And so they already got a lot of the stuff. But when I would say, oh, I know that person didn't get it, I should be able to do this pretty easily, didn't quite work out that way. So this is also an exercise in humility because, it's all about staying with this and being patient and not trying to get ahead of yourself and having these big, huge ideas that ultimately don't really materialize into anything. That'll help you. That'll make you lose focus. It'll help you get discouraged. So again, don't compare yourself to others because you don't focus on what you know. Again, you're focusing on what you don't know. Number 3, this kind of goes back to number 1. Be confident in your ability, and be confident in your ability to find the answers, because you might be right there. When I say something like, I don't know why I don't know this. I don't know why I can't understand this. I don't know why I haven't figured this out yet. It seems to take forever. But what my mindset is, now, I know where to get this information. And I'm gonna find it, and I'm gonna get this done. It seems to be a whole lot easier. It seems to be a whole lot less stressful. And it just helps me to stay engaged with what I'm doing. And that helps. That helps a lot. So I appreciate you spending some time with me and hearing me out and letting me relay this message to you. I hope that it reaches somebody. Like I said, you've probably heard it before, but you haven't heard it yet from me. So there you go. But just keep in mind, even the most seasoned coders, the web developers that seem like they have it all together and they know everything, they get stumped too. They learn new technologies also. They get frustrated too. And you will forever, as long as you're doing this, because it's always evolving, there's always something new to learn. So sit back and relax and get busy, get it done. And thank you for spending time with me, your boy Alan with the Web Penguin, and I hope you have a great day. Salute.